Status asigi draft photo electoral roll ngasi Phongdokkhre final electoral roll 2025 mathang chahi January 3 Phonglagani haina Manipur ki Chief Electoral Officer CEO Pradeep Kumar Jha na laothokkhre. Draft photo electoral roll phongbaga mari lainana ngasi lamphel pata leiba CEO office da pangthokkiba paugi mifam amada status asigi CEO Pradeep Kumar Jha na hai status asigi assembly constituency humpugi draft photo electoral roll ngasi mari lainaba electoral registration officer singna Phongdokkhre. Electoral roll asi general public elector amade political party singi mihut singna yengningba amade verify tawninglabade mari lainaba electoral registration officer amade assistant electoral registration officer gi office natraga mari lainaba booth level officer sing natraga CEO Manipur gi website ceomanipur.nic.in dagi yengba yagani. Draft electoral roll 2025 ki matungina voter singi gender ratio asi lishing amaga supna humpumapan oiri. Election population ratio na mamangda chada yangkai manga dasmik manga mari oikiba ado handakti chada yangkai mari dasmik nipan mari oire. Draft asigi matungina starasigi apunba elector masing ase lakun lising kuntra mariga chatruk humpuni. Handaki draft electoral roll asina kumja lising ani kun marigi final electoral roll dagi elector masing lising nipan subna kuntra taret hengale. Polling station masing di hanagi lising aniga chamapan ga marifutara manga adumak oire. Ngasi Phongdokkhre draft electoral roll asigi claims amasung objection file tawbagi matam ngasi dagi hauraga mathang thagi tang kunipan fawbo oigani special campaign na mathang thagi mapan tara kulhumdoi amade kunmarida pangthokani claim amasung objection sing disposal na December thagi kunmarida oibaga loinana final electoral roll na kumjali singani kunmanga ge January 3 phongani haina mahana makha taki.
Today also witnessed a sweep campaign that we have initiated. It is called Ekoi Voter Chelacy, and it was launched today by this office, and we are sending out mobile publicity vans, and we'll also be organizing street plays, and we also have released a radio jingle today. Through our friends in the media, I would like to, before I conclude, I would also like to inform you that we also have organized a meeting with the recognized state and national political parties today, and a set of draft electoral roll has also been shared with them.